God is one and He is the only one Allah. All the worships and all the praises just for Him. We will moving forward to the next ayat. قُلْ مَا يَعْبُكُمْ رَبِّي لَوْلَا دُعَاؤُكُمْ فَقَدْ كَذَّبْتُمْ فَسَوْفَ يَكُونُ لِزَامًا. Say, O Muhammad, unto the disbeliever, my Lord would not concern him with you, but for your concern himself with you. But for your prayer, but now you have denied the truth, therefore there will be judgment. We all Muslim believe in the day of judgment when we are doing wrong and we are doing good in our daily life. We will answer all of the good deeds and bad deeds in the day of judgment. When we worship, the worships is just for our benefits, not for Allah. And when we denied and we don't do the good deeds and we are sin in our lives, so we answer all of the good deeds and the bad deeds on the day of judgment. So this is my presentation. I hope, sir, you will give me good marks, and I'm a second semester student, so I try my best. That's all.